Hey, what's going on, everybody? Now, we all know in September, Gap and Yeezy split ways, but Gap still continue to give us new fashion online as well as in stores. Not only that, they just gave us a restock on the Yeezy Gap Perfect Hoodie just last week. Now, following the Adidas split, Gap has totally terminated everything. They will no longer be selling anything in stores, and if you went to YeezyGap.com, it no longer works. It takes you straight to Gap, and there's no other link to get to the products. Now, me personally, I liked the Gap Yeezy brand. I wasn't feeling too much of the Yeezy Gap Balenciaga, but to me, the Yeezy Gap line would have been great. I like the price points. I like the fitting. They fit a little bit better, and they were a little cheaper than the Yeezy Gap Balenciaga. Now, the question is, where do they go from here? Do you start selling this stuff on Ross and Marshalls like a lot of people are joking around? Or do you just throw away a whole lot of product? Do they pump more collaboration with Dapper Dan? Because before Ye, Gap wasn't doing too well. The stock was going around $10. It was originally like $14. And to be honest, the Gap Corporation, I think the only thing that's actually making money is Old Navy. And when it comes to Adidas, we all know they have a bunch of all-stars already. So maybe they push more with Pharrell. They have Beyonce. Or maybe they finally give us that Fair God Essential Adidas collab we've been looking for. Only time will see. Like always, never look down on anybody unless you're checking out their sneakers.